It's been a couple of weeks since we looked at the Kingston Centre. I respect the followers of this channel, and when I say that you really want to stay to the end today, please understand it's for a good reason. There have been some major changes. You'll be seeing a lot of the frontage, because that's where many of them have taken place. In case you missed it here, the doors for the service centre are in place. Work once again on the roof turns out to be the placement of flashings and trim. Meanwhile, decorative, protective aluminum panels are being placed. During the last week, the first signs for the new store have arrived. Almost overnight, the site has taken on a brand new identity. Don't overlook these new lampposts awaiting erection. This sign, and others like it, will leave no doubt about the nature of the store. Here's how things look as we enter the week that will bring us into February. And now, you might like to see some of the changes over the last 3 months. The times, they are a-changing.